Good morning, Atomy. Good morning, everyone. My name is Jane Ermoneta, one of your sales master here in Sydney, Copper, Parramatta. Today, I would like to introduce to you all the two products, which is the Atomy Hand Cream and as well as the Atomy Hand Therapy Kit. So, Atomy Hand Therapy Kits include in 4-pack, which is quite pretty compact. You know, you can easily put this in your bag. So, by me saying that compact, number one, yes, you get a Atomy Hand Therapy Pink, which is helps you brightening effect and rose water scent. Number two, there is in a blue color, which is the Atomy Hand Cream Therapy at the same time, brightening effect with soap poppy scent. And as well as the green one, helping you to have brighten the wrinkles, and there is a citrus lemon scent. Number four, which is the brown color, help you fight wrinkles with its shea butter scent. So it's quite pretty good. You know what, I'm using it every day, and the good thing about it, you can easily put this in your bag. So, you know, it helps you to have a young looking skin. Just pour a little bit in your pocket, and it's quite pretty cheap. This is just only $22 in 4-pack, which is if you're gonna divide it, it's just only cost you like around $5.50. Come to think of it, have a young and looking hand cream, it's only for $5.50. As well as, you know, it can help dry, cracked hands, and it's quite pretty good. The solutions to restore and replenish and protect your hand at the same time. Deeply hydrate your hands. It cares for your rough hands. You know, when you guys, most especially us mom, when we are using it, or when we are always, you know, using our hand, washing, doing a lot of house chores at home, you know, all you have to do is just put one in your kitchen, put one in your bathroom, put one in your bag, and as well as put it in a bedroom. So $22 everywhere in your house, and it gives you a good moisturizing hand. And nourish at the same time precious hands, so it can pamper and nourish. Now, there is another one here, which is Atomy Hand Cream. If you know you had this at home, you had this in your bag, it's compact. The good thing about this thing, you can put it in your bathroom or you can put it in your bedroom at the same time as well. So the difference from this or small one, Atomy Hand Cream leaves dry hand and moisturize your hand, and at the same time your nail. So it helps your nails at the same time. So hand care and cuticle cream all at once. So hand care cream deeply moisturize and smooth your hand at the same time, but it's just in a bottle, right? It's skin friendly. At the same time, you know, natural oil seed butter at the same time. So meaning to say, there is a natural butter here as well, but as I said, this is in a tube and this one is in a bottle. Now, hand care and cuticle care, which includes the vitamin E, can help your skin at the same time. Non-sticky formula. Why did I say non-sticky formula? I put it in my hand, just glow. Not only in your hand. What I did sometimes, I put it in my elbow. You know, it's quite pretty good. And it helps, you know. And clean and pure scent at the same time, and it give you an equate and natural and floral smell. So it's quite pretty good. Before I forgot, this is just $23, right? $22, which is quite pretty easy and it's quite pretty cheap. And at the same time, by using it, it's leave you better and feel better and you smell better. So that's all for me today. Good morning, Atomy, and good morning, everyone. So I hope you like it and feel free to buy it now. All right? Order as many as you can. Thank you.